Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Coach Sherry and this video is going to be a hotel room tour. Recently, I attended a conference in Wilmington, North Carolina, and unfortunately, I was not able to secure a room in the host hotel. So I had to make reservations in one of the spillover hotels, and the one that was available is this Best Western Plus Coastal Inn. I didn't know what I was getting into, but this was what was available. I was driving to it and I really loved the area. I've been to a conference here before, so I was relatively familiar. But when I drove into the parking lot, I was like, ooh, what is this? I could immediately tell this is one of the original buildings. I'm not sure what it was before it was a hotel, but now this is what it is. And one thing I can say, customer service was amazing. I was greeted and received very well by the front desk. I was surprised when I walked through to get to the elevator to see that it gave me more of a motel vibe because it wasn't enclosed. So when you come out of your room, you're outside. It's not like a indoor hall and you're really right there in the elements. Luckily, the weather was really nice. I want to say in the 60s. So it wasn't freezing. It wasn't burning up hot. But when I opened my door, look at this view. Oh, and I'll get to that in a minute. One thing I can say, the room definitely was renovated. I appreciated that. It was very, very clean. I heard from other people that stayed in the host hotel that their rooms were not clean. They had to ask for someone to come in to sweep. This is the second hotel room that I've stayed in the past couple of months because I did go to another conference at the Biltmore in Asheville, North Carolina, and it has a walk-in shower. So I don't know, is that the new trend as hotels are renovating their rooms? Are they now making more walk-in showers? I'm not sure. But look at that view. Look at that view. Oh my goodness. The bed was so comfortable. It is a king-size bed, no crown molding. And as you know, if you looked at my other hotel room review, when I was in Asheville at the Biltmore, oh my goodness, the crown molding there, just the details they had in that room was amazing. But this view right here, now at the Biltmore, I didn't have this view. This is the Cape Fear River, and I love being near water. It definitely gives me life. So I was excited to know that I was going to wake up for 2 mornings to this view because I did stay here for 2 nights, and this is the first day. So it was really 3 days, but 2 nights, 3 days. And, they had some pretty good things added to this room or to this hotel that I can really say that even though the host hotel was more luxurious, let's say, they did not have a lot of things. For instance, you saw the small fridge. The other hotel did not have a small fridge. I had complimentary breakfast and the other hotel did not. So this hotel had some pros that the other one didn't. And just visually, it had some cons, but it all evened out, and I had a great experience and a great stay, and I highly would recommend if you are going to Wilmington, North Carolina, to check out the Best Western Coastal Inn. And look at that view. Oh my goodness. But I hope that you were able to check out some of the other videos that I shared or posted here on my experience in Wilmington during this conference. I did take you along the boardwalk. As you can see, there it is down there, as I walked to the host hotel in the morning and in the evening. So I have a night boardwalk back to my hotel room. I appreciate you for taking the time out to look at this video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you are not yet part of this team, I now invite you to hit the subscribe button. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on what was your favorite part. Thanks for tuning in. I am Coach Sherry.